Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 shutdown issue by creating shutdown shortcut. Okay, so you need to right click on the desktop and hover your mouse on this new and click on this shortcut, and you need to type this command over here: shutdown space /s space /t and the time in seconds. Okay, so we want to shut down immediately, so I am putting 0 seconds. Okay, and then you need to click on this next button, and you need to give it a name. I'm leaving it default, this shutdown. Okay, and then click on this finish button. Okay guys, so here we have the shutdown shortcut, and suppose if you want to shut down, you just need to double click on this shortcut. Okay, so I'm double clicking on that. You can see guys, it's immediately shutting down the Windows 10. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily shut down your Windows 10 very easily. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.